All right, so this now me, myself, and more sweet Uzo Ododoba one of WazobiaFM. I'll be your #1 certified relationship and sex coach. So today on Top ChookMouthGeng podcast, we want to talk about sex before marriage or sex after marriage. Me at Tandagidiba on top of sex after marriage. Why? Because of all the plenty benefits we did there. One, now part of the bonding way they create for the couples them. Even before they're married. You'll get to know more on top of the podcast. If you miss out, we'll prepare you.
My name now Olamide, and this is now the ChookMouthGeng podcast. On top of the topic whether sex before marriage or sex after marriage, I Tandagidigba will say sex before marriage no be just option, na compulsory age, like na something wey must happen for any issue. You know, supposed to be the debate sef, and they ask me why. Now because say why of all the things, if we no wan lie to ourselves, after I don't look. You don't look money, you don't come out money, you don't come out maybe one other thing. Sex now top 3 of you go dey top 3 of the most important things for this life. So why you go want go into a big thing as marriage without even getting an idea of wetin sex be? You can't make communion with person. Omo, e too risky. No try. No worry, you go find out more from argument as this podcast starts. No go anywhere.
I go by the name Papito, AKA Papi Spade, my brother. Whether not before or after, the coconut to Nakamura. On top this podcast, we'll go meet at that Doom Doom. ChookMouthGeng, here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're there on top of the ChookMouthGeng podcast. Nothing serious.
Just vibes.
Papi spending.
In dollars, do you know?
Wetin Magbo. Hey, Uzomatic Uzo, how you dey?
Oh, Akaja, they would be hell.
No, you dey show, you dey reflect. I dey feel am.
You supposed to feel
K for Kajad, K for Nak.
The Lord have mercy on you. Me dey.
Something is wounding her.
I dey fine. How you dey?
Oh, I do.
You don't got the smell already. See, make I give you an expo. This topic we want to talk about, I already know where they stand. So and they wait for it's gonna be, is it like they're gonna roast each other? Like they're gonna roast each other. Yes, so and we talk about sex before marriage or sex after marriage. Which one be the proper thing? Or which one you think say, suppose they make I throw this question first of all. Most people they argue, you get one thing where they do for street on a normal say, if I no knack the guy or the girl, how I want to know how the person be? Exactly. What if the guy can't be impotent? Exactly. What if the girl no get any experience at all? So, the sex after marriage. Don't they shout exactly?
No be even argument.
This one is a pervert. It's a pervert.
No be argument as standard actually. I mean, all of us we dey here. We feel agree say you agree say sex is one of the most important things for this life. Like give yourself.
No, money is the most important thing.
No, I don't say
one of. We say
one of. If they count most important things for the life, where they make this life go as it take be.
Now why life be like this?
wait. So we agree say for marriage, sex now probably top 2 for most important things. So if you make or mar, as your Oyinbo go take talk am, if you make or mar in marriage, if sex good, it dey likely say this marriage or marriage in that sense go last.
Okay.
If sex bad, now wetin dey lead to infidelity wey dey come dey scatter the marriage at the end of the day. Now during the whole relationship stage, right? Una they do everything together. You get now they chop together, they use the same plates, they use the same cup, drink water. Now they even wear the same clothes. Now they do all those basic things. But the most important thing, or in short, top 2 most important thing, we go determine whether I go there for that marriage when they go into. And I no come on touch them. I say, okay, we'll go find out we'll marry. How it take me sense, Papi? You self check out.
So, let me get a question for you.
Sex before marriage now won't talk.
No, I want to ask a question.
After marriage, no verse won't talk.
So you say, okay, I agree with you, say sex now one of the most important things for marriage.
1 point.
Okay, so but you said something, say good sex go also help the marriage last, right? And
True.
if you also make the marriage scatter. Have you ever had good sex in your life?
God don't help me.
Are you still with that person?
Yes, nah.
With the person you had good sex?
Yes. It doesn't matter. It never matter if I do with the person.
Hold on, I be the first person will give you good sex.
No.
What happened to the person will give you good sex?
Other things don't happen to the relationship.
Oh, why didn't the good sex keep the relationship?
But like I say, not be the most important. I just talk saying when I want to be the most important.
Yeah. No. Now, what do you talk?
Also,
I follow you.
Which would you rather have? Make you con enter Congo they get bad sex because say you know say good sex dey for relationship
your reason for sex before marriage na compatibility, right?
Exactly.
Sexual compatibility.
Exactly.
Are you also aware say some people when they knack for the first time before marriage, they get some frequency like this their frequency, so they get discrepancies. Okay, make I know speak okay, so they get sexual desires, right? This person, you're okay, like the babe where you date with now. Una they compatible, right?
By God's grace.
Maybe frequency level. They like them 3 times a week. You said they like them like 4 times, 5 times
Something
a
like
week. So the thing they rhyme somehow.
like that.
You sure say when una marry, you no go change.
See,
This compatibility no go change.
Regardless whether we get sex before or after marriage. When you say
so the sexual compatibility no get you. You go still know whether you dey compatible with someone. Whether you have after you have sex with the person.
Okay. Okay.
Whether you no get sex with this person, and then you say you wait after marriage. This person where you knock before marriage, this person frequency fit change after marriage, and we don't see them happen plenty times. People will think say them they sexually compatible because them be they on the same frequency.
When did they
enter them come they wonder say oh am I with a stranger be somebody else.
I go like more note.
Can I say something?
Wait, I just quickly ask Uzo this question waiting she just talk now. That means say, or I go ask you say, people where they knack before marriage, if they create see finish, maybe say they will come marry now. That desire, that passion where they get, maybe say if they say they just want tear cloth, they won't start from door, reach room, reach kitchen. If they come marry now, you can't be like say they don't too knack. Now we say we don't date together inside the house now. It's not one knock again. It happen really.
If I would not say that won't be the reason because we don't see people we don't. Okay, what about 10 years in marriage?
Okay.
See finish serial they happen for marriages.
Okay.
We don't long-term relationship in short. If you don't marry for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, you don't deny this person for 20 years. If you no spice up your bedroom, una go see una say finish. Whether or not they knack they come before una marry or una knack after marriage. So the thing where they make us knack before marriage na curiosity. We want to see wetin.
You get one to Uzo talk. Uzo talk about say frequency because when she talk about compatibility, she dey focus on the frequency. She dey focus on quantity. She no talk about quality.
No, that's
so wait now. Regardless of if man na come marry, maybe na come they get sex 4 times. Like no, my life go happen. You get you go enter Lagos traffic, go tire, go come out. If you say that they get sex one time a week, maybe before marriage now every day, you go turn to 1 time a week, 1 time a month. But that 1 time when I go get them, which kind of sex I go get? It dey very key. Don't be say you can't enter marriage now, you can't reach time make she put her mouth for. She go say no, this is my way she dey use mic for church. Now she want use.
So your own reason for having sex before marriage, not just because you want to do it in, and I just want to know.
Because it's not that deep. That's what I'm saying. It's not that deep.
Of course, we know that it's not that. Now God design sex, not be devil.
Enjoy yourself. Compatibility.
You not go enjoy yourself after marriage.
Yeah, so why you can't keep them till then? You won't come wait, can't go risk for future. You can't reach there. Can't say.
What do you think risk? Now that risk because now the risk.
You risk getting married to person way and I don't can't sexually compatible.
You can't
lead to infidelity. Now you can't lead to domestic violence.
Let me define sexual compatibility.
Sexual compatibility is the person where they get sex with. Now energy match. Both no matter of times where you won't get them. The kind of sex where you won't get. You waiting you they like, she they like them. Waiting she they like, you they give them. You get now they give on herself like that.
I know how we go know this thing without having sex with this person.
See, you know how the person don't even know what you like.
So if you discuss them, if you talk them.
You no go be like that. See,
no put words for mouth. How you go take no really?
Okay, so you are saying that there's no way you go take
there's no way.
Until you test them.
Yes,
so you go test tire now because you go test until you.
But STD.
The person where you don't.
So the mistake where a lot of us they make be say, we they think say sexual compatibility has to do with penetration.
Okay.
So penetrative sex now one thing.
Word.
So we have non-penetrative sex. Which a lot of people know they focus on, and that one gone self now they cause big.
So what is non-penetrative?
So the problem where we get, we say a lot of people don't know what sex be. They just see say sex is just Put penis inside vagina.
so
Vagina
Uzo, you're not saying-
Uzo, teach me.
Exactly.
Teach me what
Uzo,
sex
wetin be
is.
this sex? Wetin you
I
really
wanna
mean?
know.
Sex number one starts from your brain because your brain now be your major and main sex organ, no be your penis or your vagina.
I talk am now when my head correct.
Because
No,
you
sex start
first
from when breast
reason
enter mouth.
sex.
My head
before-
straight, e dey work
Wait,
well.
wetin dey make your penetrate? Wetin dey make you get erection? I think say you dey get
Now
erection.
touch now.
Nah,
Sex
touch.
starts from when breast. Sex starts from when breast
touch.
enter mouth.
Touch. Wetin dey happen to you in the early hours of the morning? Who dey touch you when you dey get erection early hours of the
That
morning?
one a piece now.
So anytime when you get morning wood,
Eh.
na peace dey hungry you.
Now piece. I don't know about you, Shelly. Now piece the worry me.
No. It depends on who is sleeping with me. It could be peace. It could be some early morning rising.
When you just dey. So wait, when you know dey with babe, you know they get
I understand
erection.
wetin they talk. Say okay when you dey with baby, if you say
No, even no,
that
no, I don't
awareness.
even talk about when you dey with babe.
Okay when you dey
On
sleep.
a normal day, you wake up in the
be
morning.
man.
Eh,
You supposed to dey
nah,
experience
nah,
morning
How are you
erection.
sure he be
In
man?
your dreams, you supposed to experience morning erections.
See na peace.
Allow me dey, no be every
So
time
your
peace
pregnant dey
wake-
start for morning.
No be
You
peace.
dey stand now
You
because
need
you
to see
want
the
peace.
doctor.
Because
No,
you
we
want
need to dey
peace.
check you.
Because
If
you
you
want
know they
peace.
get early morning erection, at this your age, there's
Because
something wrong.
no, I dey get
Something
now
is wrong.
because you want peace.
Ask Ada,
No,
I
no,
dey get
no,
am.
when you wake up
Who's
now.
the ask Ada? You dey get
Papito.
I
am?
dey get. You know they see am.
Please draw the
Okay.
line.
Wait, let me dey. No,
Oh, yeah, I dey hear
let's
you,
be
I dey
truthful
hear you, I
here.
dey hear you.
Are you saying that every time when you get morning wood, now peace dey hungry you?
No, not every time, but at least. So it depends on if you dey a woman. I understand where you dey go with this whole thing, say mental and that kind of stuff. Say if you dey wake up normal, woman dey your side.
Your erection, you don't even know
Your-
as you
your
dey.
brain.
You don't even know wetin dey happen. Okay, you don't know as
see.
your erection dey take come.
I know now.
How?
You go
How
wake
your
up. You
erection
dey-
go wake
How
up.
your
You
erection
go
dey
wake up.
How?
You go wait. Normal erection, the one where they happen for morning.
Whether normal erection o,
Normal
whether
erection,
which of
where
them
they
normal
come.
erection sef?
Normal erection, I say okay. You get that. You say women, God specially created. You get. You get the way woman won't follow you talk. Where
You
you
go dey
don't.
get erection.
You understand?
That's how they do it.
Make you get
No.
See.
Is it that easy? It comes up that easy.
But Uzo, I go really like make
Uzo,
you
suffer.
make you break am down
That's
for
like
us.
you prick for the start now.
The
Talk am.
penetrative and the non-penetrative sex.
So penetrative sex. Now when the penis go greet the vagina.
Vagina,
You go
okay.
greet am, say hi.
Yeah, he just go salute am inside the vagina wall.
Well done,
Morning,
sir.
sir.
Now, non-penetrative sex got to do with oral sex, kissing, all the foreplay. That is non-penetrative sex. Now, we dey concentrate more most times on penetrative sex, where they make us engage more for inside sex before marriage. One, the babe go talk say, I want to know the size of the man penis, whether it fits my vagina. No be the one wey be say if he screw in, he go loose.
Very good.
But we
We go dey
Or you
swim.
go dey
But make
wound me.
I just quickly drop this
Or you
one
go
now
dey
because
wound
before
me.
you skip my mind, you say people they concentrate more on the penetrative sex. Now this oral sex and the rest of them will be the non-penetrative sex. It no still fall under the category of sex before marriage. Say person they give me
Very
oral
good.
sex.
God will bless you,
Or
Ada.
they give guy blowjob and the guy they give me head. You know be still sex before marriage be that.
If you give am blowjob, he give you and oral sex una do now. It's not penetrative sex.
So
it's
we no
still
go call
sex.
am before.
If you do anal sex, it's sex.
So if I
you
don't
do
reach
oral
that level,
sex, it's sex.
so if I don't reach that level, what's it gonna stop now from penetrative sex?
Some people know they do am. No say if
Why?
una don't do am. It's
Wait.
not part of it.
You feed the corridor, but you never enter the door.
So if you say sex, when you say sex before, when you say make people know, make they abstain from sex, this is part of it. So the problem is that a lot of people know. That's why I said people don't understand within sex. Be a lot of people. So they narrow them down to just penetrative sex. So when you understand that it goes beyond penetrative sex, that even oral sex is sex. Anal sex, some people go tell you say they be virgin as long as you no penetrate their vagina. They go do anal, they are still virgins because their hymen
hymen
still
never
they
breaks.
virgin.
Still dey
Still
intact,
dey
yeah.
But they not be virgins anymore. Because that one you had is sex. When they strap you from back, not be sex with that.
No be
Now
like
that one I even like, safe.
So back to this sexual compatibility.
Yeah.
So the problem is we go rush have this sex before marriage. And then because we dey find whether we fit or not, just penetrative. We know they discuss other things. I don't see cases of people wey be like say they match. You understand? When they strap themselves before marriage. After marriage, things change. Now, when you know they get certain conversation with your couple, with your partner, before marriage, about sex, which is something a lot of people they don't even discuss. A lot of people don't discuss sex. When they want to discuss sex, now I want to do.
Straight up.
I just want to enter you. This your breast, they do me wine for eye. This your penis, they call me. I just want to. They know they talk about
Miss call.
waiting you want, waiting you no want. Me, I no go ever do anal sex. Oh, me, I like anal sex. How do you like waiting your sexual desires? Are you day into kinks? They know they talk about that one because somehow now somebody if he go spank in wife,
Just vex.
vex.
Why
I
they
don't
beat
hear
me?
one wife want to say if your husband dare spank him, say that's the end of the sex. So.
I go slap you on back.
You don't talk
And
between
then some
drum.
people not also understand, say concerts. Now something will be saying a part of the sexual activity. Your wife where you marry, if he tell you no. These are conversations where we're supposed to get before we enter it. But we are so much in a hurry to want dissect within the inside the vaginal walls, within the inside the man penis.
Okay, quickly because of time here, make I start with Mide. Mide, wetin make you feel? I just make you feel. If you give us a point where you may make you feel say sex before marriage, na im be the cocoa.
Omo, when you check this the whole idea of say we want day together for life. Omo, marriage no easy. You get. If you get things where you know say omo, you feel come out from road, say okay, people this one aside, so this one no be problem. As early as the courtship phase. So you, as na the date you get, you don't know the kind of things where you fit take, the kind of things where you no go fit take. Okay. What's all they talk about talking and that kind of course they're important. But don't forget say talk na talk, action na action. Talk na talk, action na action. The guy if he tell you say he know where the G-spot day. When he reach that day, you give him a touchlight, he no find out.
You will know where the G-spot today.
And the problem is say no person no green light. To find the G-spot.
You will know where the G-spot
Why you are touchlight?
Why you not go know when the guy they tell you lie or not? No, I understand they say talk they cheap. But
Talk
when you
is
get
cheap.
if talk they cheap, why we gonna talk say make people they do communication?
Communication is very, very important.
And then talk is no longer cheap. Now if they talk say the talk no matter, then we know they communicate.
When marriage don't enter, the stakes are high. Like for relationship phase, I mean, pressure not too much. Marriage don't enter, now don't get together. Anything where it happen, you like him, you don't like him.
Okay, so maybe I
we
will
don't
ask you one question. So this person where you deal with, so everything we not talk about, or everything we not don't practice now, we make una feel say una match. When I marry finish, the thing can't change. Wait till you go do.
You know if you change now.
Why you no go change?
You know if you change.
Wait till make I no go change.
Like see,
Pikin go come, me go change.
You know if you change.
She they talk about talking. He won't make you do.
Action.
Talk and do. Me, I'm in defense. Whether you knock before or after, my brother, the book is to come now. This time around, we're a bunch of women. Oh my Jesus. I stand in defense.
What a life.
What a life.
But also, as I say, Bible tell us say make we no do before marriage.
You know, sister, I no quote Bible.
No, I said
I
aside.
did intentional about that.
I know.
Oh, you don't
We
believe
don't
in the
want to go the
concept?
religious way here.
I know I'm not religious.
We don't want to go the religious, but I just say aside that one, yeah. Waiting be the point where you won't give us now. We'll go hold strong.
Good.
Or you go convince people say sex before marriage, no be the cocoa. Wait till you marry.
My point is sex before marriage. No be waiting they give you sexual compatibility.
Okay.
Sexual compatibility, because that's the reason why a lot of people they rush enter do sex before marriage. Sexual compatibility they beyond penetrative sex, and that can be achieved even after marriage. Because when you have sex before marriage, they lose focus most times on waiting they happen for inside the relationship. Sex they blind plenty people eye. They know they fit. People get devil penis. People get devil penis and
sex has
they
blind me.
Where go they sweet you, they go back. Meanwhile, go they blind you for all the things that way you're supposed to focus on.
You know they see the necessary things.
You know go focus because the thing they sweet you. But when you calm down and look the relationship well, now sex after marriage they give you time to fit reason well and look the relationship well, ask the right questions them, do the right things them, so you go no say okay, I don't tick all these boxes them. Okay, now we ready to face this thing, sex inside our marriage. Do you understand? But when we don't straff ourselves, most times we lose focus. Things are what we suppose they chook eye on top where this person they do. We go the thing where they sweet us.
Because that guy they don't get stigmatized.
That guy, that big vagina.
That be good thing.
God.
I mean, it's what at the end of the day. It's what at the end of the
Sex
day.
is beautiful.
Thank you very much. They go.
Papi spending.
People where don't knock before sex, marriage they break. People wait till during marriage still they break.
True.
However, the cocoa not to do with it. come and be satisfied.
Let's
That's all.
say you and Ukeri are doing the same this. Ukeri
Very,
come
very
outside
simple now.
recently talk say anybody wey say make people no nag, especially when they don't propose say they go marry each other. Say
Yeah.
na wickedness.
Now.
And she na, you know,
You
woman
know
of
the level.
God.
Better
Eh-heh.
talk.
But anyway, because of time, we got to wrap up on top this ChookMouth. I wish say we go fit talk more because I feel say Olamide never still talk some
No
kind
worry,
things they
no
want
worry,
to.
no
But people
worry,
keep
we
your
tell
eye
you.
on Olamide relationship. He has been knocking his girlfriend, so we don't know whether it will last. That's the point now.
But which one you go follow? Sex before marriage or sex after marriage? Which one you dey do currently? Because I know almost everybody dey inside relationship, whether na your boobe or your boobe situation. But sha one thing you don dey or you never dey do. Which one you go follow? You dey team Uzo or you dey team me dey here?
Or you
But
dey on
keep
the
am-
fence.
Or you dey on the fence, Jare with Papi Spending. Wey we say, anyone wey meet Papi Spending.
Chop and clean mouth.
You crush am just like that. But don't forget to follow us on top of our YouTube channel. Make you stream, make you download, make you share, make you tell person to tell person. Say ChookMouthGeng, nothing serious.
Just